Looking for top-notch window installation services in Little Rock? Our expert window contractor in Little Rock specializes in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need vinyl window replacement or custom window solutions, we also provide replacement doors. Little Rock to complement your home's design and enhance energy efficiency. Upgrade your home with our window installation services in Little Rock. From window glass replacement to window frame installation, our team provides comprehensive solutions. We also offer window seal installation and window leak installation to keep your home protected from the elements. Pair these upgrades with our replacement doors. Little Rock services for a complete, stylish transformation. Enhance your home's aesthetic with bay window installation in Little Rock. Our window contractor services in Little Rock include sliding window replacement and casement window installation, perfect for any style. We also provide window sash replacement and window pane replacement to ensure your windows are in top condition. For a cohesive look, consider adding replacement doors. Little Rock to elevate your exterior. For those in need of window insulation services in Little Rock, our window weatherproofing and window caulking services are second to none. We also offer window glazing services and window trim replacement to enhance both the look and efficiency of your windows. Combine these with replacement doors. Little Rock installations for maximum protection and curb appeal. Our window hardware installation services in Little Rock are designed to keep your windows functioning smoothly. Whether you need window leak installation or window seal installation, our team is ready to assist. We also specialize in window pane replacement and window sash replacement to maintain your window's integrity. Upgrade your home's entryway with replacement doors. Little Rock for a refined, secure finish. Choose our window contractor services in Little Rock for all your home window upgrades. From energy-efficient windows Little Rock to vinyl window replacement Little Rock, we provide solutions tailored to your needs. Complete your home makeover with our replacement doors. Little Rock options, designed for durability and beauty. Discover the benefits of double-hung windows. Little Rock with our expert installation services. Our window contractor Little Rock offers a range of options, including custom window solutions Little Rock and window glass replacement Little Rock. Alongside your new windows, our replacement doors Little Rock services help create a cohesive and efficient home exterior. Our window maintenance services Little Rock include window caulking services and window glazing services to keep your windows looking and performing their best. We also offer window trim replacement Little Rock and window screen replacement Little Rock for a complete window upgrade. Complement your maintenance plan with replacement doors Little Rock for lasting quality and elegance. For reliable window contractor services Little Rock, look no further. Our team specializes in residential window replacement Little Rock, ensuring your home is equipped with the latest in energy-efficient windows. From vinyl window replacement Little Rock to bay window installation Little Rock, we also provide replacement doors Little Rock installations that blend perfectly with your windows. Experience the difference with our window insulation services Little Rock. Our window weatherproofing and window caulking services Little Rock provide superior protection against the elements. We also offer window glazing services Little Rock and window trim replacement Little Rock for a polished finish. Combine these with replacement doors Little Rock for enhanced energy performance and beauty. Window installation services in Little Rock are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Whether you need window frame installation or window seal installation, our expert team is ready to assist. We specialize in window leak installation and window pane replacement, ensuring your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Our replacement doors Little Rock services further improve your home's comfort and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows in Little Rock are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our selection includes double-hung and casement windows for optimal insulation. With our window insulation services and replacement doors Little Rock options, you can enjoy a more energy-efficient and stylish home year-round. Vinyl window replacement in Little Rock offers a durable, cost-effective solution for updating your home. Our vinyl replacement services are tailored to fit seamlessly, improving curb appeal. We also offer sliding window replacement and window sash replacement to ensure smooth operation. Pair these with replacement doors Little Rock for a complete home upgrade. Custom window solutions in Little Rock allow homeowners to personalize their installations. Whether you prefer bay windows or unique trim designs, our team delivers custom results. We also offer window hardware installation and window screen replacement to enhance functionality. Complete your vision with replacement doors Little Rock, designed to match your home's style. Window glass replacement in Little Rock is vital for maintaining window clarity and safety. Our specialists provide window pane replacement, glazing, and seal installation for optimal results. To further protect your home, add replacement doors Little Rock for improved energy efficiency and visual appeal. Home window upgrades in Little Rock are a fantastic way to increase property value and comfort. From energy-efficient windows to custom window designs, we offer a range of options. Enhance your home's exterior and insulation performance with replacement doors Little Rock, built for strength and style. Window contractor services in Little Rock ensure the quality and longevity of your installations. Our skilled team handles frame installation, sash replacement, and caulking services with precision. We also offer ongoing maintenance and replacement doors Little Rock installation to keep your home performing at its best. Residential window replacement in Little Rock is essential for homeowners upgrading their spaces. Our team provides a wide selection of vinyl windows, double-hung designs, and sliding replacements. Combine these improvements with replacement doors Little Rock to create a cohesive, energy-efficient, and elegant home design.